I'll show you, as promised, how to make the roasted Christmas almonds, or also called geröstete Mandeln. Okay, let's go. So there are not a lot of ingredients that you need. You need about 200 grams of almonds, 100 to 200 grams of sugar, depending on how sweet you like it. I'll use 100 grams, but I think Malaysians like it sweeter, so just add 200 grams. 50 milliliters of water, but if you use 200 grams of sugar, use 100 milliliters of water. A bit of cinnamon, and if you have it, if not, also not, no problem, a bit of vanilla sugar or vanilla extract or something. That's it, let's go. I'll put the water with the sugar and all the spices that we use inside a pan and mix it a bit first. And then after that, we'll add the almonds, but once it boils only. Vanilla sugar and cinnamon. Now I'm mixing this whole mixture a little bit, and about like this. And then I'll turn on the stove now to make it boil. Medium heat should be fine, not too much, if not it will burn. Definitely try this, no matter if you celebrate Christmas or not. You can always brag with it to your family and friends that you made a German Christmas snack. It starts to boil, so we can add our nuts in actually. Reduce the heat a little bit so they don't burn. We'll wait till this sugar water will become like crumbly and start sticking to the nuts. So on lower heat, we wait a bit till the sugar becomes crumbly and sticks well to the nuts basically, or coats them. Yeah, I can tell you about the next step actually. Make sure you prepare, how's this called? A troller with some what's it called? Parchment paper, like the baking sheets. We'll put them to cool down on those sheets later. So do that, don't forget it. Look at this beauty. Now you can slowly see that the whole mixture is not so watery anymore, and it's becoming drier. This is what we want to get to.
Ta-da!
Yay! So now the sugar is dried up, so we can let them cool down. Still not roasted, right?
I think they are. Let me try one.
Careful, don't burn your finger.
Hot, hot, hot. Oh, hot. This is my first time in this video. I just realized, because I was shooting it the whole time.
So how?
Tastes pretty good.
Well, so those are the almonds. I made 2 batches, so they turned out a bit different. But I hope you'll try it and enjoy it. Merry Christmas to everyone celebrating. So if you want the nuts to be more roasted and crunchier, just put them in the oven. I did that but forgot to film. At around 180 degrees for 10-15 minutes. And, oops, that's the result. Sedap gila.
Thank you.
Bye.
Merry Christmas.